Hello everyone, we are group number 5 and we will be speaking about word processing or the text processor word. Microsoft Word is a widely used text processing program made by Microsoft. It lets people make, edit, and format documents with features like text formatting, spell check, and putting in pictures and charts. Besides basic text changes, Word has things like spell check, grammar check, and a word finder to help make writing better. It can also put in tables, images, links, and different shapes so you can make documents that look good and are easy to follow. Microsoft Word also lets many people work on a document at the same time. It keeps track of changes so you can see what's different and go back to how it was before. You can save Word documents in different ways so they work with other text programs. Also, Microsoft Word is a big tool for making and fixing documents meant for all kind of peoples and businesses. Many jobs across various industries require knowledge in Microsoft Word. Some of those jobs are administrative assistants or secretaries. They use Word for creating and editing documents, drafting correspondence, and maintain office records. And data entry clerks, sorry. Word is often used for data documentation and report creation. Another one is teachers or educators. They may use Word for lesson plans, handouts, and educational materials. Human personnel, resources personnel for drafting job description, employee manuals, and other HR related documents. That's why, at the end, business analysts used Word is employed for creating business reports, analysis, and documentation.
All right, the first ever version of Microsoft Word was Word 1, was launched in October 1983 and developed by former Xerox programmers Charles Simonyi and Richard Brody. The two were hired by Microsoft founders Bill Gates and Paul Allen in 1981. At this time, Word was called Multi-Tool Word. It was designed for use on computers that ran the Unix operating system. Word was a WYSIWYG, that means what you see is what you get program. This means that however a document looked on screen was how it would look once printed. Word let user create, save, and print text documents, but it wasn't an instant success. Perhaps because it was competing, comparing, with the hugely popular WordPerfect and WordStar word processing program. Version 2 was released in 1985 with added features including spell check and word count. Over the following years, Microsoft recoded the program a number of times so that that it could work on different operating systems, including DOS or Disk Operating System, and Macintosh. The name was also changed to the shorter and more memorable Word. In 1993, Microsoft released Word 6, which worked on Macintosh, Windows, and DOS. Word 6 was the last version created to run on DOS and the last version to be identified by version number. Subsequent, subsequent, subsequent versions were named after their years of release. The most recent version released on the market is Microsoft Word 2021.
The menu bar in Word refers to the top of the application window where you will find options such as File, Start, Insert, and Design, among others. This option contains tools and functions to perform various actions in your document, such as formatting, inserting elements, and managing the file. Menu bar in Word consists of several tabs, each grouping related tools. Here is brief of description of the some of the common tabs. Number 1. File. Contains options for opening, saving, printing, and managing documents as well as general settings. Start. Includes tools for basic text formatting such as bold, italics, bullets, numbering, and more. Number 3. Inserts allows you to add elements to the document such as images, tables, shapes, headers, footers, and other objects. Design offers options for your documents design such as margins, orientation, page size, and themes. Reference. It is used to add citations, tables of contents, footnotes, and other bibliographic reference. Review. This provides tools for documents review, including spell checking, comments, and change control. Number 7. View. These elements allows you to change the visualization of the document such as the print design view, the read view, and the outline view. The menu bar makes the menu bar make it easy to navigate and access essential functions of Word, helping you to perform various editing and formatting tasks in your document. Within each tab of the menu bar, you will find groups of related tools. Some of these additional tools include Start, that you can manage text styles, allow you to apply predefined styles to the text, copy and paste, or paragraph format. There are insert, you can insert illustrations or links. Design, you can design the page setup or themes for the page and change the general appearance of the document. There are reference index that facilitates you to creation a document or citations and bibliography. There are review, spelling and grammar or change the control, and view can be zoom. You can control the zoom level for better visualization. These tools provide a complete set of functions for creating, editing, and formatting documents in Microsoft Word. The menu bar and its tabs organize these functions to provide the efficiency of editing documents.
Toolbars are a graphical user interface element that preview kit access to frequently used features of an application. They are typically found at the top of an application window and often easy access to commonly used common. Voron and author tour. Toolbars have been around for a long time and are commonly used in many different applications, including Microsoft. Clipboard. You can play the clipboard task panel by clicking on the dialog launcher in the bottom right corner of this growth page. Page bottom will drop down. The drop down contains the command page, page special, and page hyperlink code. Cut the current selection to the clipboard. Copy. Copies the current selection to the clipboard. Format Python copies the formatting from one place in on document and let you apply in somewhere also. This workings across multiple document form. This group provides access to all the character formatting commands. You can query to play the phone dialog box on tab by clicking on the dialog box launcher in the bottom right corner of this scroll. Editing. 5. Button will drop down. The button display the Find and Replay dialog box in display the Find tab. The drop-down contains the commands Find and Go To. The Go To tab can also be displayed by clicking on the page one of two indicator of the status bar in the bottom left corner. Replay. This display the Find and Replay dialog box and display the Replace tab. Select drop down. The drop down contains the command select all, select object, and select text with similar formatting. The select text with select text with similar formatting.
And as most of you might know, the body is the main content area where you can input your and manipulate your text. And I want to talk about some points about it. For example, the first one is text input and editing. In the body of a document, you can input and edit text. This is where you type out your content, make changes, and refine your writing. The body is essentially the canvas where your document's main text is created and modified. The second point is formatting options. The body offers a range of formatting options for your text. You can customize the appearance of your content by choosing different fonts, adjusting the size of the text, and applying styles like bold, italic, or underline. These formatting tools allow you to make your document visually appealing and well organized. The third point is paragraph settings. Paragraph settings in the body refer to the formatting options that apply to entire paragraphs. This includes indentation, line spacing, and alignment. These settings help structure your document and make it easy to read. The fourth point is list and bullets. Within the body, you can create lists and use bullet points or numbers to organize information. This feature is handy for presenting items in a structured and easily digestible format. The fifth point I want to talk about is headers and footers. Headers and footers are areas at the top and bottom of each page, respectively, while not strictly part of the body. They are related. Headers often contain page numbers, document titles, or other repeating information. They provide consistency and context throughout the document.